my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, yes, we're on the healthy side of things, and I'm gonna make for you, I have some turmeric. If you watch one of my previous video, I got these turmeric from the country, right? We dig them up and we wash them and clean off the dirt, and I put them in the freezer, so they are like this. And I'm gonna make turmeric and ginger juice with a little bit of lime or lemon and some honey. That's it. This right here, guys, all of this have lots of antioxidant, and the turmeric load with antioxidant, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, Alzheimer's, and like heart disease and all of that. And you know, turmeric good for clean you out, good for your skin, and it's a good cleanse and detox as well, with the ginger combined and the lime. All right, full of goodness. All right, no need to talk anything further. We're gonna have this juice. This juice is a cleanser and a body builder, gonna clean your system, and it's gonna build you at the same time. All right, and it's gonna prevent lots of diseases, and it's gonna rid your body of mucus and bacteria. And when your body is clean from all of that, then you're good to go. You're on the healthier side of things. I want to remain that way, and maybe even get a little bit healthier. All right, I'm not a doctor, guys. This is my home remedy that I use for me and my family. So if you want to try it, you can go ahead, or if you know somebody, you can tell about it. But if you have any other sickness or you have symptoms, consult your doctor first. All right, because the turmeric gonna stain up my fingers. So I'm just gonna cut it. Ooh, it was in the freezer, guys, so you know water is coming out of it. And you don't have to use much. I'm going to use 2 pieces of ginger, and I'm not going to take the skin off. Lots of skin, they are healthy for you. They have most of the nutrients that your body needs. So I'm going to blend it with the skin, and then I'm going to strain it. All right, woo. And I'm going to use half of this lemon. You can use about a lime. If you don't have any lemon, you can blend the seed, but not today, not today. Taking out the seed. Squeeze everything in. I think I see a seed in it. I gotta get it out. You can blend it because you're gonna strain it, but I don't want it. It's gonna be a little bit tangy already. No more seed. And now I'm going to place it right here. I'm going to use some water. You can use the pipe water, the tap water, it doesn't matter. I'm going to use about a cup. That's a cup, guys. You look like a little bit more. And the final thing, guys, I'm going to use some Jamaican raw honey. Unfiltered, real. I'm going to use about, you can use about 2 teaspoons or a tablespoon. A tablespoon will do. And that's it, guys. You can put the honey after you strain everything, but I don't into the back and forth, so everything gonna be done all at once. Cover that right there, guys, and we're good to go. We're gonna blend. And guys, that's it right there. Look at it. Ooh, it's smelling so good. Whatever you can find with deep, can strain this. And you know, say this is a strainer. It names strainer. Lots of things goes through it. All right. So we're gonna strain this bad boy. Ooh. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water on top of this one. When you add water on top of it, guys, you can get all the juice from it. All right, throw in this, coming on waste anything. and you want to squeeze it. Guys, after you make it, if you find that you want to add a little bit more honey and a little bit more lime or lemon juice, you can go ahead. All right. There you go. So this is the final result. All right, I let my husband taste it because he drink this juice all the time, and he said the turmeric in it is a little bit strong. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add about half cup more water to it, because in total I can get like 2.5 cups. So I'm gonna try to get like 3.5 cups from this. So I'm gonna add some more water to it. I'm gonna add a little bit more honey and a little bit more lime juice, because the ginger is already rich in it, guys. And this is it. This is what the leftover is. So I'm gonna add some more water to this. Lots of health benefits. It's also, guys, lower your blood sugar. So if you find out that your sugar is really high, most times anything yellow lower your blood sugar. If you have ackee and you wanna eat some ackee also lower your blood sugar. This is good for you, good detox, good to clean you and heal you, and fight and prevent all these bacteria and these mucus from your body. Consult your doctor first, guys. I'm only doing this for my own purpose. So guys, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. My turmeric and ginger juice or drink, whatever you want to call it. Mwah. Bye, guys.